Hello folks, at the time of making this video I've surpassed 100, can you believe it, 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much to everyone who comments and likes my videos, and of course thank you to everyone who has kindly subscribed to my silly little YouTube channel. To celebrate the fact I finally reached 100,000 subscribers, I decided to splurge. I've really treated myself to this. It wasn't an impulse buy. I've wanted one for months and months. I've been waiting for some sort of discount code to arrive. Nothing came forth, so I've paid full retail for this. The cleaner here is £749, but I've bought what Vorwerk call the ultimate set, which is £1,249, so it better be good. I don't know why Vorwerk call this the ultimate set, because it doesn't come with all the accessories available for the VB100 cordless cleaner. In fact, if you want everything for this machine, you have to pay another £359 for the mattress and upholstery set. Now, I have got that set. I bought that previously, waiting to get this. Unfortunately, that set's at home. I'm not at home at the moment. So what I'm going to do in this video, I'm just going to unbox and show you everything you get with the ultimate set. And I'll do further videos demonstrating the various attachments. Okay, let's see what's inside this box. I'm assuming it's all the attachments. Oh, well, why couldn't they have packaged the cleaner itself? Oh, what's that mark on there? We've got boxes within boxes. Oh dear, lots and lots of boxes. Here we have a pack of 5 spare dust bags. Yes, this is a bagged vacuum. This is a bottle of Koboclean to use with the hard floor cleaner. This is a pack of universal cloths, a pack of 3 to use with the hard floor cleaner. That's possibly the hard floor cleaner, it's quite heavy. And here is some bubble wrap. First accessory to look at is the Kobold VB100. And basically this is a cordless version of the hard floor cleaner I have with my other Vorwerk machine. Let's have a quick look at this. And to just have to rip it open. So this particular attachment works the same way as the mains powered one. You fit the cloth onto the base here. You can get different cloths for different surfaces. You can get a soft one, one for wooden floors, parquet floors. So basically the head with a microfiber cloth attached vibrates at high speed and distributes the cleaning solution. You've got 2 suction channels either side that deal with surface dirt and litter, so you don't have to vacuum before using this. You can go over your floor, it picks up the dry debris and scrubs the floor clean. The detergent bottle is here. You don't need very much at all of solution, a tiny capful of the solution, and you fill that up with warm water. So yes, very similar to the mains powered version, the VB100. So that's the first thing. This is the Kobold VB100. They're both called VB100. Well, that's makes sense, doesn't it? This is the hose, and when this particular vacuum was launched, it didn't come with any accessories. It was just a cordless upright cleaner. You didn't have the hose. These are a fairly new addition. The hose and the hard floor cleaning head, they're all new for this model. So this is a non-powered hose, fits onto the end of the machine in a similar way to the hose fits on the Bosch Athlete. So a non-powered hose for above floor cleaning. Pop that to one side. Next, another big box. Let's open this. This is the tool storage bag to keep all the accessories together. It looks very like the one I have for my VK200. Yes, it is. So all the accessories will fit in their individual compartments. Keep them all together. Here we have the extension wand, the telescopic extension wand. You can move to whatever height you want, and then you just twist that part and it locks into position. Just the same as the mains powered one. Then we've got this, one of my favourite nozzles, the dusting brush. Used like this, you've got short brushes, but if you want to dust anything delicate, you go like that, and you can dust away to your heart's desire, or use it midway for lampshades, etc. That is, yeah, that's certainly one of my favourite nozzles for Vorwerk. Here's another nozzle, a crevice nozzle. So this is your flexible crevice tool. So you've got an angled neck, ideal for down the sides of your washing machine and fridge, etc. But you can extend it like that, and now you've got a flexible end for really getting in those nooks and crannies inside the car, in between the car seats, etc. And on the end of that, you can pop a little brush attachment like so, and use that for light dusting jobs. Of course, you can use it like that as well. And then this attachment for all you DIYers out there. What you do with that, first of all, you need to make sure you take the brush off. So you put it on the end of the flexible crevice tool like this, switch it on, switch the vacuum on, and basically this sticks to the wall when you drill a hole. So you can drill the hole, that sticks to the wall, and all the dust from the drill goes down into the vacuum. So you can at last have dust-free drilling. What a bonus. Here's a multiple, well, I was going to say 2-in-1, but it's really a 3-in-1, although this tool is a 2-in-1. You've got, used in this way, a little crevice tool. So this is for your upholstered furniture mainly. Crevice tool like that, springs open, and now you've got your upholstery nozzle with litter pickers. So that's a 2-in-1, but you can convert it with this nozzle as well. That way round. No, it's that way round. I was right. There we go. Then you've got this, which you can use for, you can use it on floors if you want to, or you can use it on walls or other hard surfaces. And that's it. I think that comes off like that. So another useful tool. I quite like that tool as well. Maybe my second favourite tool that I use with a Vorwerk. And finally, last but by no means least, we have a shoulder strap that you can attach to the main unit, so you can wear it on your shoulder when you're using the hose and cleaning tools. Here's the cleaner itself. It arrived in an absolutely filthy box, so I had to get a wet wipe to clean it because it was covered in muck. Not very good for a vacuum cleaner costing this sort of money. You'd think they'd have just run over a duster with it, but never mind, as long as it's okay in the box. So let's cut the tape and have a look at this cleaner that I have wanted for quite some time. And when I reached my milestone, I thought, oh, to heck with it. I may be dead tomorrow. I can't die without experiencing this Kobold VB100. Right, here we go. Ta-da! Oh. Ta-da! Oh. Not very exciting, folks. I am excited, I have to say, though. I am giddy. I'm giddy as a lamb. Right, hang on. First of all, we'll take out this nozzle, this huge book. Obviously that's going to have lots of different languages in it, but that'll give me hopefully all the instructions I need, not just for the vacuum cleaner but for all the accessories. Here we have the charger. Obviously if you purchase this outside the UK you'll get a different plug on your charger, but I'm in the UK, so it's a 3-pin plug. So that's what we charge the battery with, obviously. Here's the cleaner itself. I can't really fit it into the whole shot. Just take the covering off the plastic. There it is. Ooh, lovely. Pop that to one side. Here we have, well, it's an above floor tool. I wasn't interested in this machine when it was first launched because basically this is what you have for above floor cleaning. You have to take off the main carpet and floor nozzle and fit this, and then use that big long vacuum to dust your knickknacks. And I've even seen pictures and video of a lady doing that. I mean, she looks very elegant doing it, but it's hardly practical. So basically this is a 2-in-1, sort of a crevice tool. I suppose this would be okay. You just take off the main floor head, whip this on, and it'd be okay for doing around the edges. But to do anything above floor for your knickknacks, your dusting, very inconvenient. That's why the hose that they've now supplied is a boon. So you've got this very nice soft brush that comes out. So that's your only accessory supplied as standard. So the standard basic machine is 749, just for what I'm showing you here. And finally, under this not very environmentally friendly foam stuff, it might be biodegradable, who knows. So we have the EBB100 power head. So this is the EBB100 power head. It's quite compact in size, quite narrow. Nice looking brush roll here. I like the design of these brushes because they're designed to sweep the dirt into the central air path, and by the looks of it, fairly close edge cleaning both sides. But then we have the middle section here which will leave a line of shame, but not much of one because the brushes do overlap that central part where obviously the belt or the drive mechanism is. I'd rather have a central line of shame than a cleaner that won't clean to the edge on one side, because obviously when you're using a vacuum you're normally overlapping your strokes. There's a little slider here on the front which is flex and fine. Normally you'd leave it in the flex position. If you want it in the fine position, you just move that slider along and this squeegee pops up. That's good for cleaning hard floors or hard floorboards with a gap, maybe textured floors, or giving a deep clean, but I think normally for everyday use you just leave it on the flex position. We've also got two little roller wheels at the back. There is a squeegee as well. Sorry, roller wheels at the front. I'm so excited, folks. Two wheels at the back. There's a little clean out port here. You can open that to check for blockages. And of course a flex neck. There are different settings on this which you activate by a touch button. I believe there's a turbo and normal setting. I'll be demonstrating all that in a future video. I thought there would be some charge in the vacuum, but upon pressing the on-off button nothing's happening, so I will have to charge this fully, which I believe takes 3 hours. You can charge the battery in the cleaner. This is where you plug in the mains adapter to charge it, or you can charge the battery separately. I'll show you the battery. You can buy spare batteries if you want. I believe they're about £85 each, which is reasonable. So behind this panel we'll find the battery and the dust bag. In fact, the dust bag, as you can see, is attached to the panel, as is the filter So if these dust bags are as good as the dust bags on my VK200 and my Tiger, I'll be very happy with the filtration of those. Quite small, as you can see, but I've been told that the dirt compacts quite a lot in these. They can be very full before you need to change them. There's a little rubber cover there to help prevent any dirt from falling out when you switch the machine off. So no other filters apart from that one. The battery is located inside here. You can pull it out, and you can charge the battery in the cleaner, as I said, or charge it out of the cleaner just by plugging it directly into there. So if you've no room to have the cleaner out charging up somewhere, you can of course just put it in a cupboard and then just put this on a worktop charging away and just slot it in. But it would be better if you can keep it inside the machine. It goes that way. There we are. So that's what I'm going to have to do, charge the cleaner up. There we go. Obviously, before using it as an upright cleaner, we have to attach the power head to the main body. There we go. Firm click, and to release, there's that green button there. And yeah, it's quite flexible. Let's see if it works now. No, still no joy. I'm definitely going to have to plug that in and give it a full 3-hour charge. Well, there you go. That's the end of my unboxing and first look at the Kobold VB100 Ultimate Vacuum Set. If you have any comments or questions about this cleaner, please comment below, and don't forget to subscribe, where you'll see further videos of this machine in action and of course all the other floor care demonstrations. So until the next time, thanks again for subscribing, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye for now.